I am back again with another banger. Hi there. Welcome back to another video on Hierarch's Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make this refreshing and tropical mango and pineapple juice, and you will love it as usual. So these are the things I used: mango and pineapple without anything additional. So to start with it, I am going to peel my pineapples and I am going to set the peels aside because I can use these pineapple peels for some other drinks as well. So stay glued on my channel as I will be bringing you back to back content, okay? So I am going to continue with this till I'm done, and I am going to cut the pineapples into small chunks so they will fit perfectly in my blender to make it easier when blending. So after cutting it, I am going to transfer it into a bowl and then set it aside. So once I'm done, I am going to transfer it into a blender, add small quantity of water, and I am going to blend this, and then I will juice it. And next to my mango, I am going to cut it like this. But you can peel the mango as well if you are not okay with this method, okay? So after cutting it, I will then cut into the flesh like this because I don't want to touch the skin, okay? So I will cut it into small chunks, and I will just use my knife, or you can use a spoon to scoop the mango from the skin. So I used my knife to do this. Make sure your mango is very well ripe, okay? So I am going to continue with this till I'm done with all the mangoes. So once I'm done, I am going to set it aside and then juice my pineapple. So I will use a sieve to juice it, but you can use your juicer if you have one, okay? But I don't have a juicer, so this is the best way I can do this. And you can use a cheesecloth as well. So I am going to juice this and then we will move to the next procedure. So next in a blender, I will go in with my mangoes and then I will add the pineapple juice to it. Here we don't need any water again, and we don't need any sweetener, but you can add sweetener to it if you desire, okay? But without sweetener, it tasted so good, and you can just try this, okay? So I am going to blend it into a fine puree just like this, and our mango and pineapple juice is ready, guys. So here, when I checked the consistency, it was too thick and it was too sweet, so I needed to add a little quantity of water, gave it a good mix till everything was well mixed there, and I tasted it and it was just normal. So I just stored them in my glass bottles. And with this drink, it tasted so good, guys. Just try this and you'll love it as usual. And don't forget to try this for your guests, and they will keep coming to your house all the time. Thank you so much for watching this video to this end. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop any video. And guys, don't forget to check on my other videos. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.